we're looking.
So now we're surveying
Number 3.
We're right there.
As they approach the last ossuary, they feel that lightning can't strike twice. But sometimes it does.
Oh, wait. Stop. So that's writing.
That's inscription.
That's an inscription.
That's it, baby.
There's an omega, clear as day. There's a C, delta, eta.
The inscription is in Greek, the dominant language of the wealthy in Jerusalem in the 1st century AD. But what does it say?
Yahweh is God's name. Yahweh in Greek.
In English, it's pronounced Jehovah.
So, that would be a verb. God is doing something. This and this I can't get.
The team contacts Professor James Charlesworth to help decipher the Greek inscription.
You were supposed to arrive yesterday, but you have a bit of a cold. Yesterday would have been no good.
We didn't need a Greek reader yesterday, but we do today.
Okay, you're not going to believe. Come.
Are you teasing me? What?
Yeah, come.
What have we got?
And in the middle area, between the two rosettes, you've got this Greek inscription.
All right, I can read Yahweh. We have this in the Jewish magical papyri as a way of referring to Yahweh or God. So here you have it in Greek, in uncials, that means all caps, Yahweh. And above, I'm suggesting it might be Dios, God or Zeus is now Yahweh.
There you go.
Upso, that would be related to the Greek word upsotheo, to raise up.
What? Yep, that's it.
Upsilon, C, and Omega. And that is uncial for upsao, which in the Gospel of John is used for the resurrection of Jesus. It's upsao, he is lifted up. I am lifted up, says Jesus. I am lifted up. I am raised up. Upsao. And the rest, I'm not sure I can read. A lamath, pay.
Maybe an olive.
It could be an olive. Apo. Upsao. Apo tuthanu, I would guess. From the dead.
The first two lines are clear. The first word is Dios, which can be read as Lord or God. The second word, Jehovah, the name of God in the Hebrew Bible. And then a word, upso, which can mean has raised, will raise, or is raising. And finally, three letters that are not clear. They could be referencing, as Professor Charlesworth sight read, the realm of death. But the last three letters may actually be A, G, B. The last word then could be Agba, the Hebrew equivalent of upso. In this case, the inscription is translinear. Greek, Hebrew, Greek, Hebrew. And it reads, God, Jehovah, raise up, raise up. In every reading, it's a plea for resurrection. God, Jehovah, raise up, raise up. In every reading, it's a plea for resurrection.